little friends. Welcome to Little Camellia v Friends. Today, Camellia is so excited because it's her very first cooking class. She can't wait to learn how to make delicious donuts. When she arrives, her kind cooking teacher welcomes everyone with a warm smile. Before they begin, all the little chefs wash their hands and put on their aprons. The teacher reminds everyone that a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Camellia notices a sharp knife and reaches toward it, but the teacher gently stops her and explains that sharp tools should only be used with the help of a grown-up. Camellia smiles and says, "Okay. Now it's time to gather the yummy ingredients." Camellia happily mixes the batter, but whoosh! A little puff of flour lands right on her face. Everyone giggles together. Next, she kneads the soft dough and carefully makes beautiful donut shapes. The teacher safely places the donuts into the oven while everyone watches from a safe distance. Soon, the donuts are ready. Camellia decorates them with chocolate and colorful sprinkles. But oh no! She accidentally uses salt instead of sugar. She takes one bite and makes a funny face. The teacher smiles kindly and says, "That's okay, Camellia. Mistakes help us learn." Camellia doesn't give up. She carefully follows every step again, and this time her donuts turn out perfect. Everyone claps and celebrates together. Today, Camellia learned that practice makes perfect, and staying safe in the kitchen is always important. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure. See you next time with Little Camellia v Friends. Bye-bye.